Let's fill out the Minnesota Motor Vehicle Bill of Sale together and avoid the small mistakes that cause big headaches when it's time to transfer the title and register the car. Start at the top with the date of sale. Then the seller's details. In our example, that's Anna Baker, with her address, phone, and email. Then the buyers, Ben Carter, with the same. 2 quick habits. Enter each name exactly as it appears on that person's ID and on the title. A nickname or a typo can stall the transfer later. And don't leave any line blank. If something doesn't apply, write NA. An empty box is an invitation to change the document after it's signed. Next, describe the vehicle. Make, model, body type, year, color, and the odometer reading. 2 that people get wrong. The VIN, type all 17 characters exactly as they appear on the title. A single wrong digit can stall the title transfer. And the odometer, write the exact reading, not a rounded guess. A sloppy number can look like odometer fraud. Now the sale price, in our example, $8,500. And how it's paid? Here, paid in full by check with taxes included. Write the real price. Lowballing it to shave the sales tax can come back as back taxes and penalties, and it leaves the buyer with weaker proof of what they actually paid. Finally, signatures. The seller and the buyer each print their name, sign, and date. 2 things before you're done. An unsigned or undated bill of sale may not hold up, so make sure every signature has a date beside it. And make 2 copies. Each side keeps a signed one. The buyer needs it to register the vehicle, and the seller needs it as proof they are no longer responsible for that car. If you're selling a vehicle in this state, here's what you need to know to get the paperwork right. First, the seller must transfer the title to the buyer, and to do that, you'll need a certificate of title. Both parties complete this by signing the certificate, so make sure everyone who needs to sign actually does. Next, the sale price. You'll need to include the details of the sale on the paperwork. Don't leave that section blank. For the odometer, this state requires an application for corrected title and odometer disclosure, so be prepared to fill that out as part of the process. Now, here's an important one. If there's a lien on the vehicle, you'll need a lien release. And specifically, this state requires an original signed lien release card. That's the notarization-related step in this process, so don't skip it or assume a copy will do. You need the original signed document. Timing also matters. The title transfer must be completed within 10 business days of the date of sale, so don't wait around once the deal is done. Pull everything together, double-check your documents, and you should be in good shape. Remember, this is general information, not legal or tax advice.